Y'all, y'all, um, it just now started raining out here, and, dang, here's my, here's that. Hopefully it ain't gonna go too long because, oh man, I got my speakers out here, and I was just now gonna go over here to my, yeah, I was gonna come over here to my couch, as you see right there, and got my hat, and you know, if y'all look, it's raining on my speakers. That ain't right. That ain't right, but my lord, y'all, feels so good. The rain, it just feels so good. Oh my God, and the smell. It smells so good. It smells so good. I just can't even describe it. But that said, see, I was sitting here on my desk. The desk, that's the desk, that's the chair. And it was, the rain started coming. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I gotta turn it off. Things is getting wet. But before we do, look at them clouds, dawg.